So let's isolate each user's account with one single prompt. Set up authentication so users can sign up, manage their own meal plans, and keep their plans separate from other users. Use this as a starting point for your own prompt. The important part is to ask for authentication. Click Send when you've got it. After some processing, you see that the AI ran into an error. This happens occasionally. The nice thing is that when it runs into an issue after a prompt, you can simply click the Resolve with AI button to have it fix the problem without being charged any message credits. So I'll click this now. Now the issue has been fixed and our app preview appears again. We want to see how the app behaves for different logged-in users. In the preview, I'm currently logged into the email associated with my Base44 account, something Base44 does for you by default. To see how the app behaves for other users, we could log out in the preview and log in to the other account. However, I'm already logged into the app with my other user on the public version, so let's publish our new app version and see how it behaves. Normally, you wouldn't want to do this. You want to test everything thoroughly before deploying a new version of your app, especially if you have paying users. You don't want to wreck their experience by accidentally deploying a buggy app. But we don't have any real users yet, so deploying it in this state is just fine. I'll click the Publish button in the upper right, and before we fully deploy it, let's change the public access to not require a login. This will help us to ensure that even signed out users can't see other users' data. While we're here in the app settings, let's also turn off the Edit with Base44 badge so that nobody can clone our app. Alright, now let's publish this new version. Now, here you can see I'm logged in with my other account, and I can't see the data of the first account.